tiny cups. We stumbled over words we long to hear. We talked about the dreams we lost or given up. When I whistled that night, ancient silence from our life, as the last train rolled to the June. Those summer nights when we were young, we ran the things we'd never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. And in our heads to grow the sun, we left our innocence on desert moon. We were dreamers, only dreamers. On desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon, desert moon. Still can hear the whisper of the summer night. It echoes in the corners of my heart. The night we stood and waited for the desert train. All the words we meant to say, all the chances swept away, still remain on the road to the June. Those summer nights when we were young, we burned the flames we'd never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. Moments pass in time of sun, but dreams remain for just as long as there's dreamers, only dreamers. On desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon, desert moon. Somebody's tearing me apart, and it feels just fine. And it's you. I've waited oh so long to say it's you. You're everything I ever dreamed. And tonight I give in to the feelings. Tonight I give in to the feel of loving you. Tonight I give in to believing. I hear you say you'd always stay. Somebody turn my life around, and I'm
Diba?
not the
Sister, nagbigay ata ng 10,000 pesos.
Suddenly I don't hear a sound, only your name. And I really need you. Tonight I give in to the feelings. Yes, tonight I give in to the feel of loving you. Tonight I give in to believing.
mga gusto pang magbigay. Magbigay lang po tayo, mga moms and sirs.
If you could see me now, the one who said that she's right or wrong, the one who said she'd rather be alone. If you could only see me now, if I could hold you now, just for a moment, if I could really make you mine, just for a while, turn back the years of time. If I could only hold you now. I've been too long in the way, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. If you could hear me now, singing somewhere through the lonely nights, dreaming of the arms could help me die. If you could only hear me now. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. I've been too long in the wind, too long in the rain, taking any comfort that I can, looking back and longing for the freedom of my chains, lying in your loving arms again. I can almost feel your loving arms again. Something romantic, giving my all and I don't even have it. I always dream of a solid face, someone who feels like a holiday. I'm now in business, really believing, starting to think that I've lost all feeling. You came out of blue on a rainy night. No lie, I tell you how I almost died, while you're bringing back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid of living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the world forever. together.